जल्दी कम. अरे click my photos.
Foundation is the base for a makeup. Concealer is for hiding your flaws.
Very good. Nice. Very nice. Today is like छोले बन रहे हैं घर पे. बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक में छोले की सीटी होते हुए. गुड मॉर्निंग यू गाइज. व्हाट्स अप, व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन. लॉकडाउन इज एक्सटेंडेड अगेन एज एक्सपेक्टेड, बट वी आर नॉट गोना टॉक अबाउट that in today's video. I have so much planned for today's video. I don't know kitna मैं कर पाऊंगी, but I have so much to do. So right now, what is the time? It's 11:15 right now. I had my breakfast and I'm sitting to shoot Instagram makeup first, and then I have to shoot a Q&A video. मैंने Q&A के लिए अब तक ये नहीं पूछा यार, questions पूछे नहीं है. So let's see how that goes. If not, then I will shoot it tomorrow. But I'm gonna ask weird girly questions to my guy friends, and we are gonna see how much do they know about girls. It's gonna be very interesting. Obviously I'm gonna ask them on video call. Yes, I am wearing lenses. I'll leave the name and everything in the description box below. I don't remember right now. So as you guys know that I post like makeup tutorials and everything on Instagram and YouTube. So last vlog mein everybody told me that they don't want to see makeup tutorials, and when I posted this on my Instagram, now everybody is like they want to see makeup tutorials. What is this? What is this behavior, Pooja? What is this behavior, Mau fam? My face looks so swollen today. I don't know. I had good sleep last night, you guys. After so many months, मुझे बहुत अच्छी नींद आई. No, कुछ problem solve नहीं हुए, but still I got good sleep and I'm so happy. That's why मेरी आँखें सूजी हुई है. My nose looks so big and like, oh my god, I look so chubby. I need to do something to my face to make it look a little better. But right now I think I'm gonna post an Instagram story. ये टाल जो हम लटकाते हैं ना, I'll tell you why we do that. So basically ये भक्ति दी का wardrobe है, वो मेरा वाला है. So we both keep our towels separate. ये इसका टाल है भक्ति दीदी का, वो मेरा. I know you guys don't want to know, but I'm still telling. Instagram पे I will post a story for my Q&A questions, and then I will sit to shoot my Instagram makeup tutorial. Let's go. Okay, makeup is done. This is how it looks like. This is the outfit vibe. I'm wearing a blazer, red lip, red eyeliner plus black eyeliner with glitter. I don't know if I should put falsies or no. Let's see. I'll start clicking pictures, and if I feel like putting falsies, I will. But I don't want to put falsies because it might just ruin the red thing which is going on. So yeah. I wish I had magic powers to clean all of this. जल्दी कम. अरे click my photos. थोड़ा smile तो कर दे यार. My sister does not want to come in the vlog, you guys. So next time you ask why is Bhakti Didi not coming in the videos, just DM her on her Instagram. बोलेगी क्या कुछ आगे? Okay, so I have gotten some pictures. I liked them. 2 or 3 pictures I have liked. Now I'm gonna remove this makeup, and I have already removed the lipstick. मैं सोच रही हूँ कि और एक Instagram के लिए makeup look shoot करूँ, and I was thinking I'll shoot a tutorial for that this time. I don't know, let's see. If you're wondering what I'm doing, is that when you put glitter, like when you are working with glitter, even when you remove it with the makeup cloth, it just sticks to your face and it just, you know, doesn't go away. So basically what you do is you take a sellotape and just, you know, the sticky side say you just pick up the glitter, which helps in, I don't know if you guys can see, but यहाँ पे पूरा glitter है. So it just helps to not scatter the glitter all over your face. It's a great tip if you are someone who's a makeup artist, or if you like glitter. This is how you should take it off first and then use your makeup remover. Okay, I have gotten rid of the makeup, and today I'm sitting to shoot here. I always sit there, that side, but today I'm sitting here. My ring light is here, tripod is set, makeup, pasara, everything is there.
2 hours later.
Okay, so second look is done. Oh my god, I am in love with this look, and my hairstyle looks so cute with this. love it. I'm gonna post a makeup tutorial on my Instagram, so I think by the time you see the vlog it's already up. If it is, then I'll be leaving it in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. And I'm gonna call my sister now to click pictures. It's 3:30 now. I am planning to wind up like everything by 5ish. Then I'll start to edit or cook something, I don't know, exercise, something of that sorts. Whenever I work, like shoot, दिन कहाँ निकल जाता है पता नहीं चलता. So that's a good thing which is keeping me busy. And honestly guys, I'm not losing my shit, but it's just getting too much now. Like I need to get out of my house. I feel like everybody is just, you know, waiting to get out of their houses and start their normal life. 17th को क्या लगता है तुम लोग को कि 17th को सच में हम लोग बाहर निकल पाएंगे और we're just gonna get another तारीख पे तारीख? I feel that we will get one more extension. Sorry, but yeah, that's what I feel. Let me know तुम लोग को क्या लगता है comments में. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock almost. We are right on time. I have just removed my lipstick a little bit, not a little bit, पूरा निकाल दिया है, but वो stain हो गया है. And my eyeshadow, बाकी सब base वैसे ही रख दिया, like take it off later. I'm super hungry, तो मैं सोच रही हूँ I will make this thing called as pizza nachos. I saw it on Instagram 2 weeks back. So basically I don't know exactly क्या करना है. I'm just gonna like try it for the first time and I'm gonna take you along with me. So let's go.
Things we could do if you gave me one more sign. I could find a way to break through, a way to break through.
लवकर आणि सांगा कसं आहे कसं आहे मस्त का okay, I'm gonna start calling my friends. Okay, it's gonna be very funny. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a disaster, or I don't know. Let's see how it goes. They don't know anything basically. I just told them, like I asked them 2 days back कि मैं कुछ vlog के लिए करने वाली हूँ, so would you like to be a part of it? सबने हाँ बोल दिया. And they just know that I'm gonna ask them questions. They have no idea किसके related है क्या है. Okay, so for today's experiment we have 4 contestants. First up we have Prerit Shah, second CK Srivatsa, third Dhruvin Kamdar, and fourth Sahil Rathod. What is baking in makeup terms?
Baking, I think it is like something about making your cheeks brown.
Baking.
Yeah.
भूख लग रही है अभी.
Baking.
Yeah.
Like, instead of giving a stupid answer, I'll skip this.
Baking. I think I heard of it. I think I'll mix some different makeups together and make something.
No. What is inner corner highlight?
Inner corner, ये outer होगा अगर normal.
यहाँ पे लगता है ना वो.
Very good.
Corner. Is it here?
No. Chal, one more guess.
Here.
No, it's here.
Somewhere in the corner.
How do girls get rid of hair, like body hair or facial hair?
वो body hair के लिए तो waxing करते हैं.
हाँ.
Facial hair के लिए तो
Threading.
या
Yeah.
वो machine आता है ना, वो ऐसा circle क्या?
Shaving.
Epi something.
Epilator. Wow, you know epilation also. Wow. I'm gonna give you bonus marks for this.
Waxing or shaving.
Waxing आ जाता है,
हाँ.
strip waxing आ जाता है, heat वाला आता है. अरे strip मतलब chat, वो वाला waxing.
Oh, okay.
Waxing. Threading for eyebrows.
Yeah, very good. Then
There's something called an epilator.
epilator. Yes, there is. How many times do girls get periods in a month?
Once.
And how
4
long?
days. Or it
Very
depends
nice.
on the cycle.
Very nice. Very good. The next question was how long do they last? Good.
Once
How long do they last?
a week.
One only. Days are multiple.
How many days?
But time. How many days it can? I think the average is 3 days. 3
Huh.
to 4 days.
Once.
Okay. How long do they last? How long do they last? Like approx.
1 or 2 weeks.
Okay, describe this color. Mauve.
माओ सुना है, माओ नहीं पता।
क्या बकवास कर रहा है?
Dark red.
No.
This is the right time for me to tell you that I'm partially colorblind.
I don't know. Probably it should be pinkish,
Purplish.
purplish. Pinkish, purplish. आधा point दे दे.
Basic difference between a foundation and a concealer.
Foundation is the base for a makeup. Concealer is for hiding your flaws.
Very good. Nice. Very nice.
उसकी लिटरल वर्ड के मीनिंग्स मतलब मेरे को फर्क पता नहीं, बट
हाँ.
फाउंडेशन मतलब वो मेकअप के स्टार्ट में यूज करते हैं, कंसील मतलब मेकअप खत्म करने के लिए
Concealer, I guess concealer यहाँ पे लगाते हैं मेरे हिसाब से.
हाँ.
To conceal your, I don't know, blackheads या जो भी है.
Oh, यहाँ पे black heads होते हैं. Do it, however.
Concealer probably is something to like hide your scars and all.
Yeah.
Foundation is you apply
All
before
over
you
the
apply
face.
The rest of the makeup.
One thing I noticed is that everybody, like all my guy friends, सबके बाल बड़े हुए हैं, सबकी दाढ़ी बड़ी हुई है, बेचारे.
a way to break through.
You guys, it's almost 9:15 right now. मैंने dinner नहीं किया अब तक. I just took a bath. I did my nighttime skincare routine. That video is already up on my main channel, which is called Mansi Mao. When you touch your back for the first time throughout the day after you have worked so hard is like the best feeling ever. मैंने पूरा दिन काम किया. The goal for today was like vlogging, like one YouTube vlog, then one Instagram video and 2 Instagram posts. सारे में टिक आ चुका है and I'm very happy that I completed all 4 tasks. आज से ना सब लोग पागल हो गए because today is 4th of May and अभी लोगों को लग रहा है कि lockdown is lifted. तो everybody, like all the bikers are going. उनको लग रहा है कि मतलब मजे चालू हो गए हैं. Like people just don't understand, and because आज दारू मिल रही है so everybody is just going and buying liquor and they just don't care about the social distancing facts. Anyway, I hope you guys are staying safe at home. Please take care of yourselves. It's still not over. We still have to fight this, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog because kuch hai nahi karne ko. I'm just gonna start editing and then have dinner and then doze off. So I hope you liked today's video and subscribe to this channel. Please सिर्फ देख के चले मत जाना, like भी करना, subscribe भी करना, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.